Welcome to valleytoyota.ca. You're having a look at a 2014 Toyota Sienna LE stock number B1625. This van has just over 103,700 kilometers on it and was actually purchased and serviced here at Valley Toyota in Chilliwack. Previous owners retired and going through a bit of a lifestyle change, just didn't need to have a Sienna van any longer. So we ended up buying this unit in. As you can see, it's white in color, does have a gray interior. We have the Carfax report on our website at valleytoyota.ca. If you're not already there, you can check that out just by going to our website and clicking on the listing for this van. You'll get access to that report there free of charge. It's freshly through our shop, brand new set of tires on it, among a few other things done that'll be detailed on our inspection report. And the purpose of this video here is just give you a quick walk around of each one of our used vehicles and give you a real-time look at its condition and its features. So being an LE, this one's loaded with quite a few nice features, including power sliding doors. And we'll show you that here. We do have our 60/40 stow seats here that fold into the back. This is also an 8-seater. Your middle seat there that would go in the center can be stored in the back to make middle captain's chairs in the middle row. Say power sliding doors are a nice touch. These are also equipped with rear air conditioning as well and rear heat. So our controls right there. It's 3-zone system, so you can also adjust the temperature in the driver and the passenger side as well as the back, all independently. Power driver's seat as well for the LE model. And this one also has heated seats as well, and home link in the driver's mirror. Get in, have a look here. There's our backup camera there. Heating and air conditioning controls, cruise control, Bluetooth with on-hook, off-hook, steering wheel audio controls, and there's our mileage, 103,772 currently on the odometer. So if you'd like to know more about this 2014 Toyota Sienna LE, please let us know. We're in Chilliwack, BC, in the heart of the Fraser Valley, about an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, and about 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area. Love to talk to you more about this Sienna van or any of the other used cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs that we have for sale here at Valley Toyota. Thanks for watching.